Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your biology teacher and today I will teach you a new topic of bioenergetics. I hope you will understand a previous one, mechanism of photosynthesis, dark and light reaction, how they will form in plant, and the role of chlorophyll and light in photosynthesis. Now today our topic is limiting factors in photosynthesis. Before I will start a topic, I will describe you about a photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is basically a name of process in which plant make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll, etc. What is mean by limiting factors? Simply says a limiting factors according to your name is limiting factors. Anything in short supply that prevents photosynthesis is called limiting factors, or any environmental factors, their absence or deficiency which decreases the rate of metabolic reaction, which is also called a limiting factors. Mean if it is high or low, it affect in photosynthesis, so it is called a limiting factor. Like for example, light intensity is a basic source of photosynthesis. Temperature is also concentration of carbon dioxide because plant make their food with the help of carbon dioxide. Water is also a limiting factor in plants. Oxygen is also a limiting factor. Effect of light intensity and temperature. Light is a main source of plant. Without lights, plant can't make their food. If light intensity or temperature increases, means photosynthesis rate is increases. If it is decreases, means photosynthesis rate is decreases. I am giving you a simple example. Like if photosynthesis occur more slowly in plant due to the reason light intensity is decreases, then a lower quantity of sugar will produce. Plants save their food with the help of sugar. If light intensity decreases, it's mean the quantity of sugar will be produced lowerly, and also affect the chemical energy which is available for cell growth also reduce due to the reason light intensity is decreases. Or if temperature is decreases, temperature is low, so the number of molecule which is present in it, they are collide to each other, like enzymes and substrate are collide to each other due to the reason temperature is low. If temperature is high, so it's mean enzymes are denature, means they are affect, both affect if it is increases or if it is decreases in photosynthesis. What is the effect of carbon dioxide concentration? Carbon dioxide is a main source of plants. With the help of carbon dioxide, plants make their own food. It is necessary for plants. If carbon dioxide concentration is increases, photosynthesis rate is increases. But if it is increases in more concentration due to its limits, so what happen? When stomata is present in plants, it closer the stomata due to the reason the concentration of carbon dioxide is increases. So if it is closer, it's mean it decrease the rate of photosynthesis. If photosynthesis rate it decreases, so it's mean sugar level is decreases. Plants save slowly their sugar, means they will save slowly amount of sugar. I hope you will understand this topic. What is limiting factor, what is the effect of limiting factor in photosynthesis, effect of light intensity, temperature, carbon dioxide, etc. You will write question number 5 in your notebooks, and you will also draw a diagram in your notebook to clear your concept. Thank you, students.